Automate customer support with iApp. The pros, the cons. Automate customer support with iApp is transforming how businesses handle inquiries and deliver support. Most people get this wrong by thinking automation means impersonal or robotic responses, but here's the surprising truth. Modern AI can provide personalized, fast and efficient customer service that rivals human agents. One of the biggest pros is speed. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can handle multiple requests simultaneously, providing instant answers to common questions. For example, an e-commerce company can automatically track orders, process refunds, and answer fax without waiting for a human agent. This reduces response time dramatically and improves customer satisfaction. Another advantage is cost efficiency. Hiring and training a full support team can be expensive, but I can manage a large volume of inquiries with minimal human oversight. Companies can allocate resources to more complex tasks that require human judgment. AI also offers valuable insights. By analyzing customer interactions, I can identify patterns, suggest improvements to products or services, and even predict potential issues before they escalate. This makes customer support proactive rather than reactive. However, there are cons. I might struggle with complex or nuanced questions that require empathy or critical thinking. Over-reliance on AI can lead to frustration if customers feel they can't reach a human when needed. Implementation can also require a significant setup effort and subscription costs for advanced AI platforms. In conclusion, Automate customer support with iApp is a powerful tool for businesses aiming to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and provide faster service. When paired with human oversight for more complex situations, AI-driven support can dramatically improve the customer experience while freeing your team to focus on high-value tasks.